How to register green dot card. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily register your green dot card. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open any browser and search for green.card registration. Now here go to this website green.com card activate register card. Now here scroll down and tap on green.com activate or select registration activate now. Now here enter your 16-digit card number, here the expiration date, here the CVV, and tap on I'm not a robot and tap on next, and if your details are alright, your card will be registered. So this is how you can register your green dot card. Thanks for watching.